If you're replacing a water main due to a leak, upgrading to lead to copper, or any other reason, it's important to understand that the typical water main replacement will be connected to an existing tap connection on the city main. Most likely, if you're watching this video, you've been advised that your tap is currently leaking or not functioning and that it needs to be replaced. I'm also sure you're wondering, how was this not identified during the estimation process? Well, the answer is that there's no way to tell that there is a tap issue without excavating the city main where the tap connection is installed. And in most cases, the tap remains functional without ever experiencing any kind of issues. In the case that you're not familiar with what a tap is, here is an example. The fitting I'm holding here is a tap. It allows your water main to be connected to the city water main. It screws into the city water main on this end and connects to your water main on this end. On the side, this is the nut. This opens and closes the gate, which allows your water to either flow or not flow. Now, typically, if it's leaking, it's going to leak from one of two areas: at the threads where it connects into the city main, or the body itself at the nut where you open and close the tap. Unfortunately, to fix a leaking tap, a tap replacement is required. Now, to install a new tap, DEP will need to perform a shutdown. This is when they shut the water off for the entire block. This allows for the old tap to be removed. If DEP confirms that the existing tap hole can be reused, then a new tap can be simply screwed into the city main. In the event that the existing hole is not in condition to be reused, then a sleeve will need to be installed over the hole and a new hole will need to be drilled by DEP. After the tap is installed, it can be connected back to your water main service, and at this point, it can be inspected by DEP. Now, it's really important to note, when we identify that there is a tap issue, we will contact DEP. We advise them and we request a shutdown. Mainly because the price to install a new tap is directly affected by the timing of the required DEP shutdown and the availability to install the new tap connection. So if you have been notified that you have a leaking tap, believe me, we understand that this comes as a surprise, which is why we know it's really important to relay this information to you so you understand what's going to come and the process for repair. If you have any questions, please contact our office on the number below.